All right, how's it going, tycoons? For today's video, we're going to be looking at ticker symbol SOFI, SOFI. All right. I really like this one a lot. I personally have their app and I use it. I'm looking to. I think it has good potential for the future. Okay, and it's in some early stages. All right. So with that being said, we had a bullish breakout on SOFI. Okay, SOFI. This purple channel right here is basically going to be a bearish channel, all right? And then this purple dotted line is the middle of it, all right? So when we're below it, we're bearish. We're on the bottom half. When we're above it, we're on the top half. We're bullish, okay? But overall, the downtrend, it's a downtrend, okay? So with that being said, if we zoom in a little bit more here, okay, you can see that this gap filled pretty quickly, okay? Gaps fill about 90 to 95% of the time. So I just charted that up just so you guys could see it. SOFI recently gapped up on earnings. Okay, it's a bunch of red candles. It's kind of hard to understand, but we'll zoom in real quick here. And as you can see from the bottom where this candlestick closed on the 10th, okay, because it's a red candlestick, they open at the top and then close at the bottom. And then to where this one opened on the 11th, it was 18% up overnight. Okay, so that was a nice positive reaction to earnings. But the thing is that it ran up too quickly and it gapped up. So then it created this gap down to fill. And as you can see, it's been going and been going and filling this gap is what it's been doing. It's been dropping down on these smaller time frames. You can take a look and you can see it's been filling this gap. All right. So with that being said, I'll go ahead and go over some things. I think that right now, this right here is our strong support level and resistance level. Okay. So above 24.54. All right. I'd say that's our first bullish price target. Okay. And then above 24.54, we can look to 28.11. All right. So that's where I think SOFI can go. Okay. I think that we just had this nice bullish breakout. Okay. As long as we can stay above this purple channel, all right, we may face resistance up here at 24.54 and then fall back down and bounce again off of this channel somewhere in here. Okay. And if we do that, if we come back down to this level, I would look for it to retest it. Okay. You want to see it stay above this. And if we start falling below and we get back in this bearish channel, then this was a fake out. Okay. Then this was a false breakout and it wasn't a true breakout. All right. So, keep this one on your radars. It's got to fill the rest of this gap. If we go down to the 1 hour chart, it's giving technical indicators for possible further bearishness. All right. I'm going to show you guys real quick. We're going to draw a trend line from this high over to where the stock is currently, and that's basically flat. Okay, as you guys can see, it's a horizontal line, so the price action has flatlined. But if you notice on the RSI at this moment was all the way up here, and then we'll go to where we currently are right now. Okay, and this is so the stock went even. Okay, the stock traded sideways, but the RSI made a high and then a lower high. Okay, so that's what's known as bearish divergence. So you could see this drop some more, and then you also know that it has a gap to fill, that it hasn't filled all of the gaps. So with those two things leaning together, you could say, all right, well, SOFI is probably going to have a pullback. We're probably at least going to see it fill that gap. If it goes below that gap, all right, then we want it to bounce off of this purple bearish channel. Okay, if we can bounce off of that purple channel, then and use it as a support, then all it was a retest of the breakout, and it should confirm the breakout. If we retest it and then we continue bullishness, it should further confirm it and validate that this is a bullish breakout. All right, so hopefully that made sense to you guys. If it did, go ahead and click like on the video, and don't forget to comment and subscribe as well. I'll be posting daily or weekly video updates, tutorials, live day trading recaps. I'll get into some crypto too if you guys want me to get into crypto. Let me know any ticker requests you have, and I'll go ahead and drop a video on it for you as soon as I can. Okay, there's been a few requests. We have requests from people in the Discord, and we also have requests from people, in the comment section. I've been getting to your videos as well too. So thanks again for watching. I'm out.